In this video, I'll detail how to turn on bedside mode on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether it is 41mm or 45mm, whether it is running on watch OS 11 or watch OS 10 or whatever watch OS you are using, with the bedside feature, you can easily turn this on your Apple Watch. The essence of this is going to turn your Apple Watch into a digital clock while you're charging it by your bedside. So here are the steps that you need to take to turn on or enable bedside on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is just click on the digital crown button to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app screen like this, locate the settings and click on that. Then once you selected that, scroll down until you get to general and then click on that. Once you selected general, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you see bedside mode. Then to use your Apple Watch as a bedside clock, all you just need to do is just turn this on, and that is going to enable bedside mode on your Apple Watch whenever you are charging your Apple Watch on the bedside mode. And you should see the clock screen on your Apple Watch instead of the Apple watch face. So this is how you can easily enable or turn on bedside mode on Apple Watch. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.